Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today we will unbox and review the February My Envy box. I have seen the sneak peeks and I must tell you guys that this is one of the best My Envy boxes so far, so I'm pretty excited. Let's quickly start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
So this is how the package has reached me. As usual, we have the white cardboard box over the original My Envy box. And this is how the February My Envy box looks like. It has a pastel pink color with some purple and blue tones on it. It is so pretty, completely girly and very pastel kind of shade, so I like it very much. Very sophisticated design, I would say. And the back side is pink with these white dots. Once we open, this is the info card. And these are all the products which are quite nicely shock proofed, so let me open them up and show you guys. So this one, there are a lot of start products. Let me start with this one here. This is the Vanilla Vitamin E Face Cream for all skin types from the Nature's Co. It's a full size of 50 ml from the Utmost Pure range. Here are the ingredients. It has vanilla extract, almond oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, cocoa butter, cocoa butter, cream-based aroma and natural preservatives. Manufactured very freshly in January 2018. Best before is 12/2019 and MRP is 995 rupees. So here are the claims of the product. It is anti-aging, removes spots, of course makes your skin soft, supple and firm, and helps you do away with dead cells as well. So this cream I have personally used twice as of now. So this is how the consistency of the cream is. It is quite thick actually, but not very thick. It has a bit of lotiony consistency, and the fragrance, guys, is so amazing. It is a lovely vanilla fragrance. It smells like vanilla ice cream exactly. It is just amazing how the fragrance is. And this one really nourishes my skin a lot. It is a perfect day cream or a night cream. I would suggest using this as a night cream in summers. I was using it as a day cream in winters because my skin was very dry, and it worked perfectly for me. I love this face cream and I'm so happy to receive it again. This is definitely a star product as per me. And then the second star product is again from one of my favorite brands. This is the Vothwa Under Eye Cream of 10 grams. Again, I have got this product before, and the cost of this product itself is somewhere around 1700. It's not mentioned here, but it is quite expensive. Used before is November 20, manufactured in December 2017. Yeah, here the price is mentioned. It is a 1760 rupees product. It is very expensive, a luxury product, and getting it in a box is definitely super duper awesome. And both the products I have used before, they work really well. I have not started using this particular eye cream, so right now I can't tell you guys whether it worked well on me or not. But this is a unisex under eye cream, and both the products I really trust, so I'm quite sure this is going to work very well. And even though it is a very small cute jar, since it is an eye cream, it is going to last for quite a long time, because eye cream you just need a small dot of it. So I'm very happy to receive this as well. Then there are two more products from another favorite brand of mine. This is from Sea Secrets, and the first one here is this Rambutan Dates and Licorice Lip Scrub, and the second one here is the Raw Mango Paprika and Mint Lip Plumper with SPF 12. So the Lip Plumper has a MRP of 315 rupees, manufactured in February 2018. In the ingredients, it has beeswax, hydrogenated castor oil, zinc oxide, iron oxide, paprika, raw mango extract, mentha something, I think menthol something related to mint, and vitamin E and A. This is how the Lip Plumper looks like. It is in a very dark shade, so I hope it is a tinted lip balm. It smells like mango plus mint, like a minty mango kind of fragrance. Doesn't have much of tint, but quite nourishing. It is actually like an oil. I feel I'm going to like it. I like the fragrance too. Very nice fragrance. And the lip scrub here is of 261 rupees. Again, very freshly manufactured in February 2018. In the ingredients, it has raw cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, licorice extract, rambutan extract and date extract. Again, the packaging is really good, and this is how the product looks like. Smells very citrusy actually, and it has quite big granules, as you can see. I think it's going to work well because Sea Secret products are quite nice. I like the packaging of both the Sea Secret products as well. And then we have another full-size product from Tijori. This is the Virgin Coconut Milk Shampoo. It is a 100 ml product, and here are the ingredients. It has aqua coconut milk extract, egg white protein, coconut oil, disodium laureth, sulfosuccinate, fragrance. Directions are mentioned here, and here are the claims of the product. There's a coupon code here. It says get 200 off on a minimum purchase of 1000 rupees, and here's the code. The shampoo has a good fragrance. Seeing the egg protein in the ingredients, I was worried if the fragrance won't be good, but it has a good fragrance. So I'll definitely give it a try. I have not tried this product, but this definitely looks like a promising product from the ingredients. I have used a couple of products from this brand before, and they were all good. And then finally we have this perfume vial from All Good Scents. This is in the variant Tender Intense, pile single for All Good Scents, and this is how the vial looks like. Has a really good and prominent and quite strong feminine fragrance. Really nice fragrance. I like the fragrance a lot. Very good fragrance. So those are all the products. Now let's have a look at the info card right here. Even this is in a nice pink color with rose and all. So the Tijori Milk Shampoo is a full size of 100 ml and the cost is 659 rupees. The Voto Under Eye Cream, we read the price as 1760. The All Good Scents perfume of 50 ml, the full size is for 1400 rupees. And the 2 ml they have sent us complimentary. They have not mentioned the price. Sea Secrets lip scrub and lip plumper price we read, and also we read the price of the Nature's Co vanilla face cream, which is for 995. Even for Nature's Co, there is a coupon code here of 399 off on purchase of 1499. So the total worth of the contents is almost around 4000 rupees, and the box is priced at just rupees 850 including shipping. But I have some coupon codes mentioned in the description box by which you can get this box at just rupees 700 including shipping, which is an absolutely amazing deal. This has been one of the best My Envy boxes in my opinion, not just because of the savings but the overall curation. Apart from the lip scrub, all are like essential skincare or hair care products which I use in my day-to-day life, and I personally love getting such stuff. And I feel that's the best because you would anyway spend on buying those items from market. So getting such extraordinary deals is just mind-blowing, and even the brands this time are seriously some of my favorites. Voto, the Nature's Co, Sea Secrets, and I have actually used some of the products here and I've loved them so far. So I'm quite happy with the products received this time. Even if I just consider the day cream, which I totally love, this box would be worth buying. So what I mean to say is I am extremely happy with the My Envy box of February, and I would definitely give it a big thumbs up. At 700 including shipping, it is quite affordable for a luxury box like this. In case you liked it too and are interested in buying one for yourself or a loved one this Valentine month, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. You'll also find the links to the giveaways running on my channel. They are really simple with minimal rules, so make sure you check them out and participate. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.